Breezi Cooling Blanket is marketed as a blanket that claims to keep you cool throughout the night, reduce overheating, and improve sleep quality. The ads make it seem like you'll feel instantly cooler, but the real question is it real cooling or just marketing? Now, to be fair, cooling blankets are a legitimate product category. Many use breathable fabrics or heat-dissipating materials that can help some people sleep more comfortably. What it does well: breathable materials. Cooling blankets are often made with fabrics designed to improve airflow and reduce heat buildup, comfortable for warm sleepers. They may help people who tend to overheat feel more comfortable during the night. Where the hype falls apart: it doesn't actively cool the room. A cooling blanket can't lower the temperature of your bedroom like an air conditioner. Results vary by person. Your body temperature, room temperature, and humidity all affect how cool the blanket feels. The cooling effect may fade. Some blankets feel cool to the touch initially, but that sensation often decreases as they absorb body heat. So, should you buy the Breezi Cooling Blanket? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a more breathable blanket. If you tend to sleep hot and want a lightweight blanket, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to replace air conditioning or keep you cold all night on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.